in a relationship. Sometimes we ask, what makes relationship meaningful, genuine, lasting forever? Sometimes we wondered, what is true love? Well, love is more than the often used 3 words, I love you. Love is more than those sentiments and touchy feelings. Love is not a noun, but it is a verb which is full of action. Love is less about romance, but more about respect. Love is less about my right and more about responsibilities for the welfare. Love is less about knowing the person and more about caring for the person. Love is all about a great blending of caring and daring. Daring to stand up and accept the person completely. Love is all about understanding the differences. Love is all about complete acceptance. It is all about accepting the thorns that comes along with the rose, accepting the person of who they are. Love is all about kindness, compassion shown to the person without any conditions. According to the Bible, from 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 4 to 7 said, love is patient, love is kind, love is not envious or boastful or arrogant or rude. Love does not insist on its own way. Love is not irritable or resentful. Love does not rejoice in wrongdoing, but rejoices in the truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Thank you.